Everyone, today in this PPT we will be studying about Unit 1 Basics of Measurement. In that is Lecture 2. Okay, so it is from the subject Electronic Measurement and Instrumentation. Then we will be seeing the next, that is the contents. So what are the contents? First one, generalized electronic measurement system, then errors and types, then sources of errors, then at last we will be seeing the summary of this. So first one, that is generalized electronic measurement system, we will be seeing. Here you can see the block diagram of that generalized electronic measurement system. Okay, here the measurement is done by comparison between the quantity whose magnitude is unknown and a predefined standard. Okay, so the result is expressed in numerical values. So here what all will be there? Transducer or primary sensor. Okay, that is your primary sensing element. Then next, variable conversion element, then variable manipulation element, then data transmission element, then data storage and playback element, then data presentation element. Okay, and to that we will be giving a power supply. Then next, so these all what they will be doing, you can see in the diagram. So first, transducer or primary sensors. The transducer or primary sensor senses the quantity under measurement and changes it into a appropriate electrical signal. The input quantity in most of the instrumentation system is non-electrical, such as they will be mechanical, chemical, optical, thermal, etc. Okay, then what they will be here, the input quantities are ultimately they are converted into electrical signal, because an electrical signal can be easily amplified, attenuated, filtered, detected, analyzed, modulated, transmitted, and then recorded, and so on. Okay, the next one, signal conditioner. Okay, so what the signal conditioner will be doing? The signal conditioner converts the transducer's output into an electrical quantity suitable for control, recording, and display. Then at last, what the data presentation means your display device. The readout or display device may be simple indicating meter, an oscilloscope, or a chart recorder. The information about the measurement is displayed in an analog or digital format. Analog signals can be converted into digital form or automatic analysis. Then for this whole thing we will be giving regulated power supply to operate. So that is nothing but the electronically regulated power supply. What it will do, it will provide the required excitation to the transducer and the necessary electrical power to the signal conditioner and display devices. Okay, then next we will be seeing errors. So errors are what? It is the difference between the actual value of the quantity and the value obtained by the measurement. So what are the types of errors? First one will be your gross error. So gross error, what it is? This error is due to human mistake in reading or recording observation. Okay, incorrect adjustment, improper application of instrument, carelessness, and computational mistakes. One of the most common errors is the misreading of an instrument. This kind of error is less likely in digital instrumentation. Okay, the next one, systematic error. So systematic error, what it is? This error occur due to shortcomings of an instrument, such as it will be nothing but your defective or worn parts, aging, and effects of an environment on the instrument. So they will be related to the instruments, these errors. Okay, the next one, in that will be there are instrumental errors. They are due to the instrument itself. Okay, so in, for example, in the PMMC, permanent magnet moving coil, what it will be? Friction in the bearings will be there, irregular spring tension will be there, stretching of the spring, like that. Okay, then next one, environmental errors. In that, environmental errors will be due to conditions external to the measuring device. Okay, so here it will be nothing but the temperature, pressure, humidity, dust, etc. Okay, then observational errors. So observational errors, what it will be? That will be the errors arise due to wrong observation. Means while taking the reading, if we take wrong readings, means while observing it. Okay, that will be. Then next, parallax error. So parallax error, what it will be, it occurs on account of pointer and the scale not being in the same plane. So while watching the reading, the pointer and scale, it will, we should watch in the same same plane. Okay, then it will be correct. So here, random errors, next one, you can see in the diagram how parallax error will be occurring. Okay, if we are seeing inaccurately, then random errors, they are accidental and small and independent. Okay, then sources of errors, which are the sources of errors? Insufficient knowledge of process parameters and design conditions, then selection of improper instrument for measurement, then poor design, then human error caused by person operating the instrument. So these all will be sources of errors. At last, summary. So here, resolution is the ability of a measuring system to discriminate between nearly equal values. Human errors in making measurements are termed as gross errors. Okay, thank you.